Ah, the majestic deer, with its graceful and enchanting appearance. Let's take a closer look at their remarkable bodies. Deer come in various shapes and sizes, but they all share some common characteristics. Their bodies are well adapted to their natural environments, allowing them to thrive in a range of habitats. First, let's talk about their keen senses. Deer have large eyes positioned on the sides of their head, providing them with a wide field of vision. This helps them detect predators and potential threats from different angles. Their ears are also highly perceptive, allowing them to hear even the faintest sounds in their surroundings. Notice their long and slender legs? These powerful limbs enable them to run with astonishing speed and agility, reaching up to 30 miles per hour. They can swiftly navigate through dense forests, making quick escapes when danger lurks. Their muzzles are specialized for grazing, with a mobile upper lip and sensitive whiskers that help them select and gather their preferred vegetation. And let's not forget the mesmerizing antlers. While not all deer species have antlers, those that do display a remarkable feature. Antlers are actually bone formations that grow and shed annually. They are primarily used by males to establish dominance and compete for mates during the mating season. From the towering moose with its magnificent antlers to the nimble and agile mule deer, the diversity of deer species and their unique adaptations never cease to amaze us. Their bodies truly embody the beauty and resilience of the natural world. Now that we have marveled at the physical attributes of deer, let's delve into their way of life and how they thrive in their environments. Deer are social animals, often forming herds or groups for safety and companionship. The size of these herds can vary depending on the species and the availability of resources. They are highly adaptable creatures, inhabiting a range of ecosystems such as forests, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. Each species has its own preferred habitat, but they are skilled at finding the best food sources and shelter within their environments. Food plays a vital role in a deer's life. They are herbivores, meaning they primarily feed on plants. Their diets consist of grasses, leaves, shoots, and even bark. Some species, like the water deer, have adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle, feeding on aquatic plants and vegetation near water bodies. When they're not busy searching for food, deer spend a significant portion of their time resting and grooming. They carefully maintain their coats, removing parasites and keeping themselves clean. Male deer, known as bucks, use their antlers to compete with other males to show dominance. They engage in fierce battles, locking antlers and pushing against each other with incredible strength. Female deer, called does, give birth to 1 or 2 fawns. These adorable offspring are born with white spots on their fur, providing excellent camouflage in the dappled sunlight of their forested homes. Some deer species exhibit fascinating migration patterns. For example, the North American mule deer embark on long-distance journeys, traveling from higher elevations during the summer to lower valleys in the winter in search of food and shelter. Survival is a constant challenge in the wild, and deer have evolved various strategies to avoid predators. Their excellent speed and agility help them escape, while their camouflage and the ability to freeze in place make them difficult to spot in their surroundings. Communication is key in any society, even in the animal kingdom. Let's explore how deer communicate with each other. Deer rely heavily on body language to convey messages. They use a combination of posture, movements, and facial expressions to communicate their intentions and emotions. For example, a deer holding its head high with ears forward is likely on high alert, signaling potential danger. While they are generally quiet animals, deer do vocalize on certain occasions. They emit a variety of sounds, including grunts, bleats, and snorts, to express different messages. These vocalizations can serve as warnings, mating calls, or signals to maintain group cohesion. Scent marking is another important form of communication among deer. They have scent glands located on different parts of their bodies, such as their hooves, forehead, and preorbital glands near their eyes. By rubbing these glands on trees or the ground, deer leave behind their unique scent, which can convey information about their presence and territorial boundaries. During the rutting season, male deer engage in impressive antler displays to communicate dominance and attract mates. They make themselves appear larger and more intimidating by raising their heads high, pointing their antlers forward, and displaying aggressive postures. Survival in the wild requires a combination of physical adaptations and instinctual behaviors. Let's explore how deer have mastered the art of survival. As we mentioned earlier, deer have sharp senses that aid in their survival. Their keen eyesight allows them to detect predators from a distance, while their exceptional hearing helps them pick up even the slightest sounds of danger. These senses, combined with their incredible speed and agility, give them a greater chance of evading threats. Camouflage is a crucial survival strategy for deer. Their coats blend seamlessly with their natural surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot them. In summer, their reddish-brown hues match the forest floor, while in winter, their fur becomes thick and snowy white, helping them blend into the snowy landscapes. Living in herds provides deer with safety in numbers. By sticking together, they can collectively watch out for predators and increase their chances of detecting potential threats. Additionally, when one deer senses danger, it can alert the rest of the herd, allowing everyone to react swiftly and effectively. Finding food is a constant challenge for deer, especially in harsh environments or during seasons with limited resources. They have adapted to feed on a variety of plants and vegetation, and their digestive systems efficiently process their plant-based diets. Migration is another survival strategy employed by certain deer species. By moving to different locations in search of food, water, or suitable breeding grounds, they can increase their chances of survival. These long-distance journeys require strength, endurance, and an innate sense of direction. Grooming is not just about looking good, it's also essential for their survival. By meticulously grooming their fur, deer remove parasites, such as ticks and lice, which can be detrimental to their health. This self-care routine helps them maintain good hygiene and prevent the spread of diseases. We have covered the basics, but there are still some incredible facts that make deer even more fascinating. Prepare to be amazed. Did you know that deer are exceptional jumpers? With their powerful hind legs, they can effortlessly clear obstacles up to 10 feet high. This impressive leaping ability helps them navigate through challenging terrains and escape from predators. While we may not associate deer with aquatic prowess, some species, like the water deer, have adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Equipped with partially webbed toes and slender bodies, they can gracefully swim through marshlands and water bodies. Antlers, those magnificent headgear, are not just for display. They are the fastest-growing tissues in the animal kingdom. In just a few months, antlers can grow up to an astonishing rate of 1 inch per day. It's truly a remarkable feat of nature. Deer are highly adaptable to various climates and environments. For instance, the reindeer, also known as caribou, thrives in the harsh Arctic conditions. They have specialized hooves that act like snowshoes, allowing them to walk on snow and ice without sinking. Deer display remarkable intelligence and memory. They can remember food sources, recognize familiar faces within their social groups, and even navigate their way back to specific locations. Their cognitive abilities contribute to their survival and success in the wild. As we conclude our journey into the world of deer, remember to cherish and protect the incredible diversity of wildlife that surrounds us. Let's continue to explore and learn about the wonders of our planet, for there is always more to discover. From the link above, you can explore the amazing world of panda and giraffe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.